Hey guys, so this is the brand new iPhone SE 2022 edition, and we're curious to check it out and see if the video recording is comparable to that of the new iPhone 13 mini, which I'm actually using also. So let me know if you see any differences in the video quality as we're moving around. Now the iPhone SE only has one camera, the wide camera, but it doesn't have an ultra wide lens. Of course, both are able to record 4K video. Now follow me around, let's go. So this is the kind of quality you can expect from the iPhone SE 2022 and the iPhone 13 mini. Thanks for watching. And this is a nighttime low light video recording with the iPhone SE 2022 edition versus the iPhone 13 mini. There definitely seems to be a bit of a difference, and both have those flares. Let's walk a bit.